Hello everyone! In today's video, we will tell you a touching story about a puppy who fell in a swamp and almost drowned. If it were not for the young man who was walking by and heard the crying of a dog, the end of this story would probably be tragic. The city of Omsk is located in Russia, in the southern part of western Siberia. Around this city there is a marshland, and on the outskirts there are many small and shallow marshes and ditches with water. Animals, inattentive pedestrians, and cyclists often get stuck there. And if for people it is difficult to get out of there, for animals, often even small holes can become a horrible trap. In late May, a young man named Maxim was walking after his work shift from a pipe mill. He decided to choose a short path leading through the bushes as a thunderstorm was coming and he wanted to get home earlier before the rain started. Suddenly, he heard a quiet cry. Maxim could do nothing but stop and find where the call for help was. By the sound, he quickly found the hole where a small puppy was almost into the water and mud, only his head could be seen. Maxim took a photo on his phone and started thinking about how to help the unlucky dog out. And the little puppy, with joy that someone noticed him, apparently started wagging his tail under the water, and he began to be pulled into the mud in front of Maxim's eyes. Then Maxim lay down on the ground. With difficulty, he reached for the puppy and pulled him out of the swamp. It was already starting to rain, so the man with a dirty puppy in his hands hurried home. The puppy tried to lick the face of his savior in gratitude all the way home. At home, Maxim washed him, gave him food, and the dog sweetly fell asleep on a rag on the floor. The man looked at him and realized that he could not send this cute puppy back to the street or take him to a shelter. When the thunderstorm ended, Maxim went to a pet store, bought him food, a flea collar, and everything he would need. So now the poor thing has a house and the best human in the world, the owner, and also a real name, Jack, a beautiful collar, and toys. But most of all, he likes to sleep, having buried his nose in Maxim's sneaker. We are very happy for Jack, and we are grateful to Maxim for his help and kind heart. Dear friends, if you enjoyed this video, click like. We are grateful for your warm comments. Thank you for watching. Bye!